Sir, I do not feel offended, nor I feel upset, nor I get angry as my leader of the house, who got so angry. Hey, theek hai. I was laughing and I was speaking. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to refer to the page number. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the learned people of the learned government, headed by a learned leader, Mr. Revant Reddy Sahab. Sir, about report of the Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655, it is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madigadda, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madigadda barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? Sir, no, sir, you're not understanding. You're not understanding what am I saying. Sir, you ask for suggestions to be given. If I am wrong, you please correct me. I have given a suggestion stating that as per my research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report.
Sir, we have given everything. So that is what I wanted to correct your records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar Sahab, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. 600 साहब नहीं. आपको मैं पेज वाइज दिखाता हूँ. He has gone through everything. No, you are absolutely wrong, Akbar Sahab. नहीं, आप नहीं, हम सरकार चला रहे, हमें पता है. We have no. You go through this page. You go through the 600 and I will give you. नहीं, अरे साहब ये बुक ले लो, सेकंड बुक ले लो. सर आप पूरा देखो, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट. अकबर साहब पूरा पढ़ो, बिना पढ़े आप मत बोलो. नो. अकबर साहब, कभी कभी हम इंसान हैं, कोई भी गलत फहमी हो सकता है. आप मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मेरा अच्छा दोस्त. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप विदाउट वेरीफाइंग दिस रिकॉर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट यू कैनॉट मेक सच टाइप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स. So let me complete. I'm not yielding, Akbar Sahab. I'm not yielding. No. You are scolding like anything. I'm sorry. Absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm not going to yield. You have taken much more than 1 hour. No. आप बुक किताब कुछ भी पढ़ो, मगर गलत नहीं बोल सकते आप. नहीं, आप गलत नहीं बोल सकते. आप अगर वो सचमुच रहा तो सर, I have to answer. I'm the leader of the house. I have to answer every question. I have to address every member. I have to reply. No. You cannot.